If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 3000, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error is often caused by a corrupted browser cache, problematic extensions, outdated graphics drivers, or even a temporary X server issue. The good news is that most people can fix it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when I post more quick fixes for common app and browser problems. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common reasons X fails to load properly or throws an error 3000 message. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools, and then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you check both cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. For the time range, choose All Time so you fully remove anything that might be causing the issue. Then click Clear Data and wait for the browser to finish. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen X again. A lot of the time, that alone is enough to fix the problem because you've removed the damaged or outdated site data that was interfering with the connection. If the error is still there, the next step is to disable your browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some password managers can sometimes interfere with X's media loading and site scripts. To test this, click the extensions or puzzle piece icon in your browser, then open the extension manager. Turn off your extensions one by one, and after each one, refresh the X page to see if the error disappears. If you want a faster test, open an Incognito or private window, sign into X there, and try loading the page again. If X works in private mode, that usually means one of your extensions is the problem. From there, you can narrow it down and keep only the extensions you really need. Now, if you're still getting error 3000, the next fix is to update your graphics drivers. This is especially important on Windows because outdated GPU drivers can stop your browser from decoding media correctly. To do this, right-click the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for the latest version. After the driver update finishes, restart your computer and try X again. Even if the issue seems browser-related, graphics driver problems can still affect loading, playback, and rendering in modern websites. Another thing you should check is whether Office itself is having a server issue. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all. X may be experiencing an outage, maintenance, or a temporary service disruption. To verify this, go to a status site like Down Detector and search for X. If a lot of other people are reporting the same issue, then the error may be widespread, and the best solution is simply to wait it out until the service is restored. So, to quickly recap, if you want to fix x.com or Twitter error 3000, start by clearing your cache and cookies. Then disable browser extensions, test in incognito mode, update your graphics drivers, and finally check whether X is down for everyone. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get your feed, videos, and pages loading normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.